when you're screaming out, but you can't make a sound, you know it's only a dream. When your back hits the ground and things turn around, you know it was only a dream. 'Cause nothing is as bad as you think, even when you're pulling at the seams. When the lights go out, you still got me. Oh, 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 oh. Detours lead to barricades, and home is for your friends are fake. I'll be there to clear the way. Oh, 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 oh. You know my love can hold you down. You know my love can hold you down. And you know my love can hold you down. You know my love can hold you down.
When I took a look back at everything that's happened in 2018, I realized I wasn't inspired by a particular thing or person. I was inspired by life.
That you wanna fight, she would even miss you if you taught a side. Power politician leaning to the right, Levy's got a touch on that you wanna go up like that. Get off of my style, leave a little window. Get off of my style.
Ooh, that's dope.
Now we wear some colored yellow uniforms. Sky is burning, but at least you know it won't. Go and earn yourself a million miles. So put the girls on out and you go up like that. Get off of my style. Leave a little window. Get off of my style. You can never see yourself ringing all around it. You can never see yourself ringing all around it. You can never see yourself ringing all around it. You can never see yourself ringing all around it. You can never see yourself ringing all around it. You can never see yourself ringing all around it. No one. No one.
So that brings us to the end. I'm super excited about 2019, but I know for a fact I'll never forget 2018. I'm thankful for all my friends, anyone who supported me throughout the way. I'm super excited, going to be doing a lot of super cool projects, a lot of music stuff, music videos, stuff in that sorts. A lot of traveling, of course. I'm making it my goal to visit at least 3 different countries. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but it's see how it goes, baby. Let's go.